The fire took away more than just material possessions, yet there are always some precious things worth being reclaimed by technology. HANTENCNC pulsed laser cleaning, the time cleaner between ashes and memories. With 20 years of accumulated industrial-grade technical expertise, HANTENCNC creates customized lightweight solutions. The product features a backpack-style design, which is compact, portable, and lightweight. Making it very convenient for a single person to carry and operate while moving. Multiple groups of high-efficiency heat dissipation hoses are centrally arranged to ensure that the equipment remains stable and reliable during high-intensity and long-term operation, truly achieving a high degree of integration of portability and industrial-grade performances. This device from HANTENCNC is equipped with a GPT pulsed laser source, which is trusted by factories around the world for its stable output. It can effortlessly handle various complex cleaning tasks, whether it's the charred carbon masks on fire-damaged walls or the stubborn, old paint layers that are firmly attached. It can quickly and efficiently peel them off. At the same time, it can precisely control the cleaning depth, perfectly preserving the texture and details of the original materials. The cleaning process is contactless and free of chemical additives. It not only achieves thorough cleanliness, but also ensures that the substrate remains undamaged, truly realizing the ideal effect of removing the old to make it as good as new without causing any harm. The HANTENCNC laser cleaning machine has over 100 exclusive cleaning parameters pre-stored by HANTENCNC. It offers 9 new cleaning modes, and the operating system supports 16 languages. Just 3 simple steps. Select the mode, aim at the target, and press start, and the cleaning begins immediately. Renowned for its high precision, the device is not only capable of withstanding harsh industrial environments, but also suitable for application scenarios with extremely high requirements for cleaning precision, such as fire restoration and old house renovation. Whether it's the kitchen wall, wooden door frame, tile joints, or the fireplace decoration in an old house, precise cleaning can be achieved, removing the damaged marks while preserving the original appearance. The HANTENCNC pulsed laser cleaning machine series relies on a 24/7 support network consisting of 10 service centers worldwide to provide users with rapid response and continuous assurance. When high-performance technology is integrated with humanistic care, HANTENCNC becomes a professional guardian between memories and the environment, because behind every trace lies an irreplaceable story.